everyone. Glad you dropped in. If you're like me, you have days that you have more to do than you've got days and hours in the day. It's one of my days. And we're going to do something that's very easy, everybody loves it, and I'm sure if you don't have it and you try it, your family will too. I'm pretty good at putting things back and having them on hand, so when I'm in a hurry or I know somebody's coming, that I can make a fast meal. So you learn that as you get older. And so today, these are my burritos, and we're going to do enchilada sauce. So there is enchilada sauce. I put my burritos in here. I did spray it before it goes around. Now I put a little bit of this on it. Well, not a little bit, but plenty. Because I'm going to try to do two. And I usually add green chilies, or you can get the little cans of chilies. I don't put a whole lot in it, but it is just that, extra that looks so good. It tastes so good. And of course a few black olives. What's enchiladas and burritos without a few olives? And then, of course, the most important thing, plenty of cheese. Plenty of cheese. Now, I've got my oven on 375. A little bit more. We want to cover it good. After you housekeeper a while, you realize you got to have something for those days when you're going to have company and you're not going to be here all day. I'm pretty good about that, though. Over the years, I've trained myself to keep those kind of things on hand. See, that was just easy as it could be. So put it in there. You can get different kinds of the enchilada sauce. This is just my favorite of all. And actually, it's a very economical meal. It's it's not cheap. Nothing's cheap anymore. And I went to a restaurant this week and I'm getting too old to eat out. There was the prices of they're outrageous. Oh, it smells divine. Just divine. Let's put our olives. Put the rest of the can on this one. And more cheese. When I find cheese on sale, it's a move over, I'm coming through kind of thing. I do try to stock up on cheese because so many recipes call for cheese. So get it while it's shines. So a little bit more of this one. There, our little meal is prepared. And we'll put it in the oven it usually takes 25 minutes because these were frozen. So 25 minutes, and then we'll taste them when we come out. I'm getting ready to get one of them out. The big one is not good and brown yet. Yeah, this one looks perfect. Oh yeah, that looks good. Fan of anything like this. It did take 25 minutes. That one's taking a little bit longer, I guess, because it's so big. Then the Wick Divine. Gee, it's been a long time before this goes off. I think you'll be really happy with this. You know, you could have a salad or something with it. My family just goes for these. That's divine. Yeah, we think we knew it was going to be. Well, my day's getting a little bit better. Don't have to fix a big meal. Try it. I think you'll like it. It's very simple. As you say, anybody can do it. Well, let's say most people can do it. It's a pretty day. I'm going to, oh. This is my new companion. My 13-year-old went over the Rainbow Bridge several months ago. And this is my new. She's a Chiweenie. You'll be seeing her over there playing. She stayed at my feet right now. I can't go anywhere that she's not under my feet. But she's a precious dog. Just precious. I mean, she's the sweetest thing in the world. Right now she weighs 2 pounds. She weighed 1.5 pounds when I got her about 10 days ago. She eats like a little fish. Yes, she did. And I do love dogs. My granddaughter was insistent that I take this dog. I think I would have waited forever, but this one is a sweet fill-in. We'll say fill-in. Take care of yourself. Make you some enchiladas. You won't regret it. Remember the joy. We have so much to be thankful for. Bye.